Hey everybody, it's Denise back with Keto with Denise, and today we're going to talk about the top 7 keto frequently asked questions. This FAQ are some of the most common questions that I get asked on a daily basis, so perhaps you have some of these questions too, and I want to answer them for you. They're not ranked in any order, but they do come up frequently. Okay, so we figured I'll just go ahead and answer them for you. First thing I want to talk about, the question of, can I have cheat days on keto? Think about that for a second. What's the need to cheat? Because this is about your health, remember? So there's no need to wander off of keto and eat anything you think you want to eat. The biggest answer to that question is, listen, there's no need to cheat on keto. You can prepare foods with the right ingredients that'll taste better than the store-bought stuff, the junk stuff. Trust me when I tell you, and it will change your whole taste bud. So I love cookies, cakes, candies, and when I want some of that, I'll make it myself, and it's really good. So I don't have cheat days. I have the days when I want something, I make it. So there's no need for that on keto. And what I think a lot of people do is what they call the lazy version keto, where you're keto Monday through Friday and eat anything on Saturday, Sundays. Listen, I will tell you, because this is about healthy keto, we don't need to do that. And you don't need to do that either. You can stay keto, all right? The next question, how long can I do the keto diet? And I want to address that. This is not a diet, although it is called the keto diet because it is a way of eating. The word diet means way of eating. So this is a lifestyle. This is the way of eating that has been chosen as a lifestyle. Because think about it this way. You're eating vegetables, you're eating meat, you're eating fish. You can do that every day. So it's a lifestyle that you can maintain, okay? So don't look at it as I'm gonna do keto for 60 days or keto for 90 days and then go back to what you were eating. That's not the case here. We're trying to reverse, improve, and eliminate health conditions that people are facing. So you don't want to just revert back to your old way of eating and still deal with the same health issues. We're talking about improving your health. So this is a lifestyle to help you do that, okay? The next question, can I take supplements on the keto diet or the keto way of eating? Absolutely, you can, and you should, because if you're not eating enough vegetables, you're missing important minerals and micronutrients such as potassium. And sometimes people have to supplement to get that potassium in. And then of course, vitamins and things like that. The real key about supplements though, avoid synthetic. You want the whole plant-based supplements that you would take in because that's better for your body and it will have better effects for you. So yes, you can do supplements, just make sure they're not synthetic. Okay, why is intermittent fasting required on my keto journey? Guys, listen, intermittent fasting is the game changer. It's intermittent fasting plus keto. You can do keto by itself and see results, but because we're after the insulin resistance issue, the high insulin, high fat storage in the body, high sugar stores in the body, intermittent fasting helps to improve insulin resistance many times over, because at that point your body is not producing insulin when you're not eating and can allow your body to heal from the impact of high insulin or insulin resistance, okay? So just keep in mind, it's keto plus intermittent fasting. That's your dynamic duo. That's where it's going to change your health and change your body, okay? The next question, can I do keto if I'm not overweight? There are tons of people doing keto that don't have a weight problem. They have health problems, and it didn't manifest in excessive weight. It manifested in still diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and thereafter the whole idea is to improve their health. So you absolutely can do keto if you are not overweight. The difference in how I coach my clients that don't have weight issues is that they're going to take in more carbs than the rest of us, right? For those of us that have weight to lose, we lower our carbs to the very lowest point, 20 and below in some cases, where they would be on the higher end at 50. So their body won't release the weight that they don't want to lose. So you can do it. You can follow the keto and intermittent fasting protocols if you are not overweight, okay? So just keep in mind it's about your health. So if you have any of those health conditions, you should definitely consider doing a keto intermittent fasting program. Another question, can I do keto and intermittent fasting if I'm pregnant or nursing? And here's the answer to that question, cautiously saying, yes, you can, eating 3 meals a day, not 2 meals. Sticking with the 2 meal a day, sticking with getting in the vegetables, because think about it, we're eating vegetables and meats, or if you're vegan, you're eating high quality vegetables and high quality fats. So you can still do this and provide the nutrients that your body needs in the state that you're in with pregnancy or nursing. So yes, and also we always say in every case that you're following keto intermittent fasting, engage your doctors, engage your professional support so that they can help coach you through the change as well. Let them know what you're doing. So yes, if you're pregnant and nursing, you can do it 3 meals a day, not 2. Can I drink alcohol on keto? This one comes up a lot. I probably should have flip-flopped this one and talked about it sooner, but I'll talk about it now because, you know, people have their desires for the things that they like. But here's what I want you to know about alcohol. Yes, there are some lower carb alcohols that you can take, but we generally say no to the alcohol. Why? Because it is a chemical and it will alter your liver function. So you want to make sure that, because this is healthy keto, we're about taking over our health, taking our health back, reclaiming our health. So you want to put things in your body that will give it the opportunity to do just that. So I know that might be a showstopper for some of you, but think about your health first and not the taste of a thing. I have a saying that I constantly remind myself, there is no food on this earth that tastes as good as great health feels. There's nothing that tastes better than how my health feels. So think about that. Thanks for watching. Hi, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And by the way, click the bell too so that you'll be notified when there's new content like this. Thank you again for watching.